Welcome to Pinvesting, India's first real estate channel. Let's dive in the latest property news from Indian market. The Bombay High Court has emphasized that Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation officials cannot remain passive observers to illegal constructions and must act decisively against unauthorized structures. In a recent ruling, the court ordered the demolition of 3 illegal structures within 2 weeks and directed action against civic officials who failed to address the issue, despite a 30-year-old undertaking by the deceased owner to remove the structures. A bench comprising Justices S. Gadkari and Kamal Khatta described the situation as disturbing and reminded the BMC of its responsibility to demolish illegal structures, including those on private land, once such violations are brought to their notice. The court stressed that BMC must act on complaints of illegalities, regardless of its own interest, to resolve disputes and reduce litigation. The case arose from a contempt petition filed by Solitaire Builders and Developers, represented by lawyer Manish Gala. The petition highlighted that Jamunabai Pawar had encroached on a Powai plot and constructed 3 structures, claiming ownership through adverse possession. Despite repeated complaints, the BMC did not act. In 1994, Pawar undertook to demolish the structures within 3 months but failed to do so, while BMC also did not take enforcement action. The HC criticized this inaction, stating, "We can't have 2 sets of laws, one for law-abiders and another for non-abiders." The builders, who developed Oxford Chambers on the same plot, sought a full occupancy certificate in 2000, but the BMC only issued a partial one, citing illegal structures. The HC noted that BMC's unwarranted conditions required the builders to rehabilitate the illegal occupants, delaying the issuance of the OC. This led the builders to approach the court again in 2018 and file a contempt plea in 2020, as BMC failed to comply with an earlier court directive to demolish the illegal structures. Rejecting BMC's claim that the structures could not be identified due to their location on private land, the HC called the argument contrary to the basics of law. The court observed that property owners should not be burdened with protecting their properties from encroachments and directed the LWARD officer to oversee the demolition and file a compliance report. Additionally, the HC ordered Civic Chief Bhushan Gagrani and the Joint Commissioner of Police to explain why they and their predecessors should not be held accountable for disobeying court orders. We value your input. Your feedback shapes our content. Thanks for watching Pinvest TV.